Now there's a new phone to add to this list, Huawei's Mate 10 Lite, a solid option in the middle of those other two phones. It officially retails in Australia as the Nova 2i for $499, which converts to $380 and £280. But if you're looking to import, which you'll have to since it doesn't have an official US or UK release, sites are offering it for around $350, which is more like $270 and £200. At that price, the Mate 10 Lite is a steal. It has 4 cameras, 2 on the front and 2 on the back, though they're more show than go. That's okay though, because the Mate Lite also has a vibrant 2,160x1,080 pixel display, premium touches and more than enough power to browse the web and watch videos smoothly. Dual cameras have become the in thing for phones over the past year. With the Mate Lite, Huawei doubles down on dual cameras by doubling up. The phone has dual shooters not only on its back, 16 plus 2 megapixels, but on its front too, 12 plus 2 megapixels. They're competent, and can shoot some decent photos in good light conditions. But they're not particularly noteworthy in any way, despite their number. They struggle in both high and low light, the former often leading to overexposure, and some of my low light photos came out a little grainy. Plus, many pictures I shot looked artificially over-sharpened too. Still, it's nice to have both its front and back shooters capable of bokeh-style photos, which mimic the depth of field effect of a DSLR camera, even if it doesn't handle fine details like people's hair as well as other phones. Software can be a saving grace here. Huawei's tech lets you adjust the aperture after you take a portrait shot, meaning you can change how blurred the background is. This is helpful, because the phone blurs backgrounds too much as a default, see above photos. There's also a beautify option for the selfie camera, which is a common feature that softens lines for a smoother skin tone.